Hi guys, and welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I'm going to be doing a video of an unboxing of the Twilight Masquerade CDU, the one that we got here with all of the packs. I'm currently sitting on the floor in what is going to be my new streaming room, which is currently a work in progress, so just bear with me while we are getting that things sorted. I'll take you over to the desk and then we'll get into the video. Right, we are here and ready to go. I've got the sleeves at the ready. Let's get into the box and see what we can pull. So Twilight Masquerade has to be one of my favourite sets, I'd say. I'm really trying to hunt for the Eevee, which I know is very, very hard to pull. Let's get into it and see what we can get. And we get the Eevee as the first common card. So I'll start off by going quite slow so you can see what cards we get. Ah, the Blissey. That's really cute. Look at that sparkle. Nice. Let's put that into a sleeve. That's really, really nice. Let's just get these out of the way. Not bad. The first pack. Larion, Chimchar, Lucky Helmet, Mightyena, Kadabra. Oh, another hit. Let's put you into a sleeve as well. Not bad. 2 for 2. Let's keep going. Yeah, so this is my first YouTube video. I have got other videos or ideas for other videos lined up. Nothing in that pack. So hopefully you guys will like this video and we can do many more. Nothing in that one. But if you've got any ideas of any videos that you would like to see on my new channel, just drop a comment in the comments and I will certainly take any ideas on board. Oh, Iron Thorns. How shiny that is with my ring light. Any duplicates of cards that I do pull, because I do buy a lot of Pokemon cards, packs, I buy booster boxes, CDUs, I buy whatever's available really for the Hyper Aroma. That's really cute and shiny. Oh, double hit Torkoal. That's really cool. Yeah, I buy quite a mixed variety of cards and packs and things, so when I get doubles, I do have my own Vinted account, which is where I sell pretty much all of my duplicate Pokemon cards. I just find it a bit easier on there. You don't get fees by selling with Vinted either, which I find it makes it worthwhile. I used to sell quite a lot of items on eBay. I stopped doing that. I just thought that the fees were just too much. So I don't do that anymore. I'll leave the description in the bio of my Vinted details. If you wanted to go check it out, you are more than welcome to. And any purchases that I have, I do pop in a little free gift into the parcel just to say thank you. My Vinted details are also on my Instagram, and if you wanted to follow me on my Instagram, it's at PokeyChristina. I'll also leave the link and the details in the description as well, so if you guys want to go check out my social media, you can. Oh, lovely. We're not doing too badly so far on this booster box. Whereas Twilight Masquerade is supposed to be one of the hardest sets to pull hits in, but so far, guys, we've pulled quite a lot. So it's going very well. I'm going to have so much bulk at the end of this video as well. Can we find the Eevee? That's the main goal. Really trying to pull the Eevee. That's my chase card for this set. Nothing in that pack. Let's go for one from the back and see if that helps. Feebas, Clefable, Glaceon, Diplin, Brunt Bonnet, Snorunt, Alakazam. That's quite pretty for a holo. But nothing in that pack. I also am looking to do some like pack openings for you guys on Whatnot, where you guys can purchase packs and then we can open them to see what we can pull. I'm looking to do some single streams. I'm just looking to do a variety of different things really. Nothing in that one. I should have had a bin here really. I wasn't very prepared on how much rubbish I was going to get from these packs. Rip Bonnet, Enhanced Tower, Quattro. That's a nice Ninetales. Look at the artwork. I do find, oh lovely, Greninja. A special illustration rare. Whoa. That's a nice card. We aren't doing too badly. I do find that with regards to the artwork for the Pokemon cards, it is getting really good. I mean, it's always been good, but like the details within the cards, nothing in that one. I could show you some of these code cards if you wanted to use them for the online game. Feel free to use the code. Whirlipede, Abra, and nothing in that one. Can't leave it, you've got to be in here somewhere. Dreepy, Feebas, Rapid, Vulpix, Jamming Tower, Glaceon, Diplin. Nothing. I have 5 cats, guys, and they're all in here watching me. I've got 3 kittens that are about 3.5 months old, and then I've got 2 adult cats as well, which are 2 years old today, and they're all just in here investigating and seeing what I'm doing. I'm surprised they haven't jumped up on the desk already to get on the camera. Nothing in that one. I'm currently in the process of doing my streaming room, like I said. I have started to paint it like a pinky colour, probably a little bit darker than the colour of Chansey. And I'm trying to do somewhere nice to film. I want to get all my Pokemon collection. I have a lot of stuff together for like a really nice backdrop. It's just a work in progress at the moment. I've got some really cool pictures from the Pokemon Centre that I need to get frames for to pop onto the wall. There's another code card, guys. So when that's done, I will certainly show you step by step. I've got a on my Instagram, I've got a little like page going, like a little extra, so you can see how it's coming along. I'm going to do like a step by step guide for it, which will be on my Instagram if you guys are interested in what you want to see. Nothing in that pack. I really want to pull that Eevee. That would just be so cool. I'm hoping that I'm going to have, what's nice leafy on, quite a few of these cards I'm possibly going to need for my set. I've nearly mastered my 151. Which has been a very expensive journey, but we're finally getting there. There's something else that I'm gonna put onto my Instagram. I'm only missing a few cards, so we are getting there. Scarlet Violet's probably got to be one of my favourite ones, really. I did like some of the Sword and Shield. I really like Celebrations. Crown Zenith is one of probably my favourite Sword and Shield set. Sorry, sparkly. Put that into a sleeve. I just find that with regards to the Sword and Shield set, so they were really hard to get pulls from. But we're not doing too badly today with the Scarlet Violet Twilight Masquerade. Castle, Lanzade, Poliwrath, Okie Dokie. There's another code card if you would like it. One of my kittens is trying to destroy one of the cardboard boxes that I've got to the right of me. That's really cool. I don't know how many of you guys are going to be going to the London Card Show, but I certainly am. I have bought tickets, so if any of you guys see me, feel free to come and say hello. It would mean a lot. Loveball, Glamora, Volbeat, Clefairy, Tingly. Nothing in that one. Come on, Eevee. Sprinkle some magic. Watcher, Volbeat, Aragon, Cook. Really sorry if you guys can hear banging and drills. One of the neighbours is having some work done to their house, so they've got builders in at the moment, which are very noisy. Another hit, special illustration. Alafin, Jinyu, Sunkern, Chancellor. Nothing in that one. How many have we got left? A few. We're getting through them. Got my International Championships playmat from the beginning of the year. If any of you guys went, please leave in the comments below. I'd like to know. We might have even crossed in passing. Abra. Paraffin. Lucky Helmet, Diplin. Frogger. Another Greninja EX. Let's put you in a sleeve. Getting through them, not many packs left to go. Chansey, Clefairy, Shinx, Poliwrath, Luxray EX, pop that into a sleeve. We got got 5 left. Can we pull the Eevee? Chansey, Survival Brace, Clefable, Fernape. Nothing in that one. Now I've got two A-Spec cards so far, which is not bad. Oh, I did buy this CDU myself. It wasn't gifted. I did purchase it with my own money. If any of you guys were wondering. Goldeen. Nothing in that one. And then we've got 3 left. Rookie. Please, I really want to pull that Eevee card. Tatsuguri, aka Sushi. Ooh, Anonymous. Special illustration. That's pretty. It's a very, very pink card. So the new set Stellar Crown is due to release this Friday. So I will be getting some packs and doing some pack openings for that set when it comes out. I'm aiming to do about 1 video a week at the moment. I do have a full-time job, so it's just fitting in the time when I can actually do a video, but I'm looking for about 1 a week. Right, last pack magic. Morpeko, Charmy, Phantump, Tingly, and an Okie Dokie. So that's the end of the video. Please hit the like button and leave in the comments anything that you'd like to see in the future. Also remember to go check out my Vinted. I'll leave the details below. I will be going on there and putting any of the duplicates that I've pulled today on there, so if you wanted to buy them you certainly can. I try to keep my prices low. I do price for market value, but I do have like a bundles discount running. And please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.